Hi randoms, today I want to share with you guys my experience of using this Cerave Foaming Cleanser right here, and I've been using this for around a month now, I'd say, on my oily acne prone skin. And as always, as I always do in my reviews, I'm going to share everything ranging from the formula, how good it is, the things I liked about this, the things that I didn't like about this, was it effective, have I seen any results in my skin, and also how I use it and implement it in my skincare routine. So if this sounds interesting, let's get to reviewing. Now, first off, y'all know I love a good formula, and this is exactly it, because let me tell you, this contains 3 essential ceramides, and if you didn't know, ceramides are basically supposed to be a moisturizer, a humectant. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna help your skin retain all the moisture that you're gonna put on later with like the moisturizers, the serums. So it's basically acting like a hyaluronic acid in a way. And if you didn't know, actually ceramides are the most abundant lipid in our skin. So it's really crucial to have ceramides in our skincare routine. So, and actually a fun fact, if you didn't know, Cerave, all the products contain ceramides in it, hence the name CeraVe. But anyways, this also contains niacinamide, which again, niacinamide I love as an ingredient. I actually use it like as a serum on my skin later, and I actually made a video about it, which is the ordinary niacinamide. So if you want more effective and faster results than you would get with this cleanser, you really wouldn't get that many results with this, then definitely go check out that video. But if you didn't know, niacinamide, it basically brightens your skin up, it reduces the redness of any pimples, any acne, rosacea that you might be going on, and it also reduces dark spots, blemishes, and prevents wrinkles or reduces wrinkles and fine lines. And lastly, it also contains hyaluronic acid. And if you didn't know, hyaluronic acid is again a natural humectant, so it's gonna penetrate deep into layers of your skin and really hydrate it. Also, another thing that I love about hyaluronic acid is that it plumps up your skin. So I just put it all over, I put it on my lips especially, and it just plumps up your lips. It's basically filler in a bottle. You guys, I just love hyaluronic acid. But anyways, so basically, since this contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid, it is quite a hydrating, a moisturizing cleanser. And I'm also going to show you what the consistency is like. As you can see, it is quite a firm texture. It's quite sturdy. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but let me just tell you it is, okay? It is, however, quite spreadable. And of course, if you wet it with water, right now, there's no water in it. If you want, I could use spit, but you know, not everyone is into that. But anyways, it foams up, and it's also quite sticky, but regardless, it's a really good cleanser. But now, is this an effective cleanser, especially for oily, acne-prone, cursed, God-forgotten people like me? Because on the bottle, it says normal to oily skin, but is it actually true? Well, first of all, I made a video of my first impressions of the first week of trying this cleanser. Card right up here if you haven't seen that video. And in that video, it's actually quite helpful for you to see if there are any instant results of using it for just a week. But now that I've been using this for a month, I definitely have a more informed and more formed overall opinion on this cleanser. And I can tell you that I definitely like this. It definitely leaves my skin looking very clean and also glowy and quite moisturized, which I definitely like. It is, however, harsher than other cleansers that I've reviewed in the past in this channel, like for example, the Clear and Clean Night Relaxing Cleanser, or also the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. But this, however, it still doesn't make my skin feel tight and that squeaky clean feel, which if you didn't know, that's totally what your skin should not feel like after cleansing, because chances are, if that's what your skin feels like, the cleanser is too harsh and it's actually stripping all the moisture out of your skin. This feels very moisturizing and it's still like I got that hydration in my skin, so I really like it. But now, if you are a regular subscriber, a regular random, and you watch my videos in the past, you know that I don't like foaming cleansers. But first, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? You know you want to subscribe. Don't lie to yourself. At least be honest with yourself and subscribe. And yes, I'm right in the middle of my train of thought, but you know what? I'll stop this train any day for you to subscribe, because this is an important matter, an important cause, and trains should be stopped for important causes. And you know what? Before this train leaves the station, you better hop on it. You better hop on the winning train, winning team, and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, go going back to what I was saying, I don't like most foaming cleansers because they are all very harsh and stripping on your skin because they contain an ingredient called sodium lauryl sulfate, and that is the ingredient that is actually stripping all the moisture from your skin and making it feeling tight and squeaky clean, which is not what you want. This one, however, contains a similar ingredient, but it's actually called sodium lauryl sarcosinate. And I know that it sounds quite like sarcophagus, but it's actually quite the opposite. It's actually a really good ingredient. It's not gonna strip your skin from all the moisture. It's actually gonna leave it moisturized. So this is why I like this specific foaming cleanser. However, you guys, I am gonna say this has not cured my acne.
Mother piece of shit.
It hasn't reduced the sebum production. It hasn't removed all the blackheads, the whiteheads from my skin, not at all. But you have to keep in mind that this is just a cleanser, you guys. You can't expect much from it. Cleansers are really only made just to clean your skin and remove the dirt and just cleanse it. And this is really good for that. But again, if you have oily, acne-prone skin, this is definitely better suited for you than maybe a hydrating cleanser because you have already all that moisture you want from your skin. Since your skin is producing all that oil, it doesn't need extra hydration. So maybe do go with this. But don't buy this. Don't run out to your local supermarket or to your Amazon collection point thinking that it's gonna cure your acne, it's gonna resolve all your skin problems. Not at all. You guys, this is still just a cleanser.
Just know that. Just be content with that. Suck it up, whether you want to breathe it in.
And now I also do want to add, for the sake of this review and make it a lot more complete, is this cleanser actually effective at removing your makeup? Because I know that a lot of you guys use normal cleansers to remove your makeup and you don't use necessarily like a double cleansing method with an oil cleanser before your facial cleanser. And so actually now that I'm in Italy for my Christmas holidays, I've been going around to all the supermarkets, all the drugstores, looking for an oil cleanser, and I cannot find it for the death of me. I don't know why, like, for some reason Italians don't use oil cleansers, but that's besides the point. So I was basically forced to use this one to remove my makeup.
There's people that are
And so I've been doing 2 cleanses with this cleanser. And after cleansing my face the first time, I still have a lot of foundation, all the mascara spread around. I still have lipstick on. And the mascara is not even like waterproof, or my makeup is not waterproof at all, just standard makeup. So really, it's not that effective at removing your makeup. You do have to go in 2, sometimes 3 times to really take off all that makeup. So you guys, there are definitely more effective cleansers at removing your makeup. Like for example, the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing one. I found that for some reason that one was better at removing makeup. And so really, I don't recommend this cleanser if you are looking for one to remove your makeup. So this is maybe one thing that I don't like necessarily about this cleanser. But for everything else, I really love this cleanser. Keep in mind that this is also fragrance free, and if you didn't know, if you haven't seen my videos before, y'all know how much I preach for fragrance free products in your skincare because fragrance actually irritates your skin. And I mean, if you want to smell nice, if you want to smell pretty, there's perfume for that reason. You don't want to use skincare with perfumes in it. So I really love, this is definitely a bonus for that. But also you guys, this is for 173 ml, so almost 500 mls, half a liter. And this only cost me 10 pounds, $10, 10 euros, whatever you want. So really, this is like a bang for your buck because I found that like 500 mls of cleanser, by using it every day, twice a day, would last me like 5 to 6 months. So 10 pounds, dollars, euros for 5 months. You guys, that's not even...
If 2 plus 2 is 4, right? And 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. What the fuck is this?
20 cents per month. It's insane. This is why I love Cerave so much, because their products are so good. They have such good ingredients and they're also super cheap. So I definitely recommend it. So again, overall, for the price, for the amount that you're getting, and for the ingredients that you're getting, the effectiveness that you're getting, this is definitely a really good cleanser. I definitely like it. It's definitely worth your money. Now, as I said before, you don't necessarily have to, you know, run speeding to your local supermarket, your local drugstore, or your Amazon collection point. Chill, it's not that deep. But definitely do walk at a normal speed to that local supermarket. Or maybe do open your computer to order on Amazon, you know, fairly quickly because it is definitely a really good cleanser. Anyways, randoms, to all my regular subscribers, viewers watching, and for anyone new that is still watching this video, hi, thank you so much for sticking around for so long. But you all know what time it is right now. It's time for the Italian word of the video. And since this video was all about cleansing and cleaning your skin with a foaming cleanser like this one, which again, I really recommend it, the Italian word of the video is of course, going to be schiuma, which is foam in English. I love taking bubble baths. I live in a student accommodation and I don't have a bath because we just have a shower. But you know, whenever I go back home, I just love to take baths. They're so relaxing. Tell me what you guys like, if you use bath bombs or if you use bath salts or anything. Like, do you like taking bubble baths? Because I love it. But anyways, moving along to my favorite comment in my second last video, which is actually the Kim Kardashian stylist. Oh yes, you've heard that right. Kim Kardashian's stylist skincare routine, my reaction and thoughts. If you haven't seen it, card it up there. But actually in that video, it's actually first of all really entertaining to see because it's always fun to see another person's skincare routine, and I'm also, you know, maybe sometimes shocked by what these people do, but also you're gonna learn a lot more because I also comment and tell you if it's good, if it, or what you could improve from that skincare routine, so it's also informative, so definitely go watch it if you haven't seen it. But anyways, one of my favorite comments is from Alex Green. She's a new subscriber to my channel, and thank you so much for subscribing, for sticking around. I love you so much. I'm assuming this is you in the profile picture, and you look so stunning. Your lips look so plump. This is quite a small picture to see, but girl, your lips look stunning. Anyways, she said, sustain the excellent job. I'm sorry. Sustain the excellent. What is wrong with me? Hello? Where's the English gone? Thank you. Sustain the excellent job and generating the group. Thank you so much, lovely. I definitely will keep up with the excellent work and the great job because I love to make videos for you guys and entertain you because I know that sometimes skincare can be boring. And so I try to make them as entertaining and as fun as possible. But anyways, there is another comment, which I definitely love, and that is from Christina. And she says, never forget the neck girl. I am so happy that finally someone is listening to that tip because you guys, for some reason, no one is talking about blending your skincare down your neck. Everyone is focusing on the face, and yes, that's really good, but also you have to focus on the hands and neck. So do not forget the neck, but also the hands. You forgot about that, Christina. But I love you so much. Thank you for always commenting in my videos. You're always here to support me, and I love you so much for that. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, but girl, if you thought that you were just about to exit that video, where is it? Is it here? Yeah. If you thought you were just about to click this button to exit the video from full screen mode or just click from other videos right here in the recommended section, girl, you thought wrong. I mean, definitely click in the other videos, recommended videos if they are one of mine. But if they ain't, then girl, I got other videos right here on my channel for you to watch and entertain you and for you to learn more about skincare. You don't have to go anywhere else. I keep you fed for days, hours. It's almost Christmas. I'm gonna feed you right for that Christmas dinner, Christmas lunch, girl. So definitely watch these other two videos because they're gonna be super fun, super entertaining and lovely. But oh, be random. Always be random.